So what is up, guys? It's Kids Coding Playground. So when you're watching this, you're watching us 1 year in the past. So when you are watching this video, it will be 1 year in the future. So our channel has been around for 3 months and we have 256 subscribers as of August 8th, 2020. So it's our 3-month anniversary. So we thought it might be cool just to schedule a video 1 year in the future, just so we can see our growth in 1 year. We are hoping we can get 256 up to 500 subscribers by August 8th, 2021. So today's August 8th, 2020. We're hoping we can get to August 8th, 2021, 500 subscribers by then. If we can get 1K subscribers, that would be even better. So help us try to get to 500 subscribers. And I'll also show you some of our analytics. So as of right now, we have our most recent video is the Scratch scrolling platformer. And for our analytics, our most viewed video is in the last 28 days is the boss fight with 1,016 views, and in the lifetime it's 1,378 views. That's for the Ninja platformer. So I hope we can at least hit 5K by the next year on our views for our most viewed videos. So, and our subscription status, about 49% has subscribed and 49% has unsubscribed. So that's about almost 50-50. So I hope we can surpass the not subscribed with more percentage right here. So thank you for your support and for all these subscribers. We are very grateful for all of you to learn coding from our channel. And I'll see you guys in 1 year in the future.